So this is an overlapping sets maximum minimum question from our own ANA prep content, and some learners have requested a video on it. So let's go ahead with that. Many households were surveyed and it was found that 72% shop at Meijer, 89% at Walmart, 68% at Costco and 82% at CVS. If K% of the households shop at all four places, what is the minimum value of K? So we need to minimize the overlap of all the four sets over here. Let's start by making a universal set. Let's say that we have 100 people over here in the universal set. So we'll call this 100 because all the data is given to us in terms of percentages. Now we'll start with the biggest set. 89% shop at Walmart. So let's make this big circle over here. This is the Walmart circle and there are 89 people over here out of the 100. Now only 11 are the ones who do not shop at Walmart. 82% shop at CVS. Now we need to reduce the overlap as much as possible. So out of this 82, we'll put 71 inside in the overlap and 11 outside, because only 11 are outside, right? Only 11 are the ones who do not shop at Walmart. So we'll include all these 11 because we want to reduce the overlap as much as possible, but still 71 overlap will need to happen when we say that this is my CVS circle where I have 82 people, right? 11 were the ones which were outside and we included all of them at CVS, but then we still had to have an overlap of 71. We don't have a choice about that. Okay, next. 72% people shop at Meijer. Look, now we have an overlap of 71 over here between Walmart and CVS, which means that these people over here, the ones which are outside this overlap, right? Not in this overlap. Let's say all these people. How many are they? They are 29 because 71 people lie in the region of the overlap. So this entire shaded portion that I have, this is total, this is equal to how much? This is equal to 29. Now I have to put this circle of 72 shop at Meijer, the 72 circle I have to put over here. I want to put as few as possible in this overlap region because I want to reduce the overlap of all the four sets. So what do? I put 29 people outside. Out of the 72 of Meijer, I put 29 people outside. But still I'll need to put 43 over here inside, right? Only then can I have a total 72 of Meijer. The 43 that I put over here plus the 29 is going to give me 72. Even if I put all Meijer people outside in the shaded region, I can still put only 29 outside, right? The 43 over here, let's say, let's make them checked, right? So these 43 over here out of the 71 that was this entire region, this 43 has an overlap of all three sets that we have already considered, right? Now we have the last set to consider, which is 68 of Costco. Again, now 43 are lying in this particular region of all three overlaps, which means that 57 people are lying outside this particular region, right? All of this region is 57 people. If I have an overlap of Costco with any of these 57, it's all right because here nowhere are all three sets overlapping. So then out of the 68 of Costco, let's put 57 people outside in this particular region, in all of this particular region, and out of 68 we've already put, let's say, 57 in this particular region, but then I still have 11 people. Where will they go? They will need to go in this region only. There has to be an overlap in this region of 43. So then 11 people over here will still need to come. These 11 will be for Costco, and that is why the overlap of all four regions must be at least 11, right? Otherwise I cannot put Costco without overlapping these 11 people over here at the overlap of the three. Now the 11 people over here have an overlap of all the four sets. So our answer is that K is equal to 11. This is the minimum value of K.